Chalk dust on my fingers, curves across the page, tiny symbols, tired eyes, late night, coffee, faith. I trace the rise and falling, each limit, quiet breath, infinity in margins, small desk, big steps. Calculus, the journey of numbers and sacred spaces. Every line, every sign opens here.